In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide NFTs on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to keep certain items out of public view and how to bring them back when you're ready. Start by opening your browser and heading to OpenSea.io. Make sure you're signed in with the wallet that owns the NFT or collection you want to manage. If you're prompted to connect a wallet, complete that first so you can access your assets. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Studio. Studio is OpenSea's management hub, where you can organize, edit, and control the visibility of your collections and items. Inside Studio, find the NFT or, more commonly, the collection that contains the NFT you want to hide. The interface may show your collections as cards or rows. If you see multiple entries, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage several collections or test projects. Choosing the right collection here ensures you hide exactly what you intend, not something else. Next, hover over that collection and click the three-dot menu to the right of it. This menu is where OpenSea keeps additional management actions that don't appear as large buttons. If you don't see the three dots right away, scroll horizontally or vertically as needed, or resize your window so the option becomes visible. From that three-dot menu, select Hide Collection. OpenSea may display a confirmation prompt, and it's worth reading it carefully. Hiding a collection removes it from public view on your profile and in standard browsing, but it does not delete, transfer, or burn any items. Your NFTs remain safely in your wallet. You're simply controlling visibility. After confirming, give the platform a moment to process. You might see a brief delay while the change propagates, especially if you're working across multiple tabs or devices. If at any point you want that collection visible again, the reversal happens in the same place you just used. Because hiding is a visibility control, you can unhide from the same menu flow you used to hide, restoring the collection to your public profile without affecting ownership or listings. To recap, you go to OpenSea.io, open Studio from the left sidebar, choose the collection you want to manage, click the three-dot menu beside it, and pick Hide Collection. It's a simple, reversible way to keep your profile tidy and your projects private until they're ready for prime time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you make your changes.